ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम.
The original Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, he resides in Vrindavan. Yeah, as I was saying, there is a very popular Hindi bhajan that actually describes this point very beautifully. Actually, this bhajan, although the name of the person, the composer or the poet, has been known or mentioned, but I'm confident that he must be one of the Hindi-speaking disciples of Srila Bhakti Charu Swami. The bhajan goes like, Krishna jinka naam hai. What is the name of the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Krishna. Gokul jinka dham hai. Gokul, Vrindavan is his abode. ऐसे श्री भगवान को बारंबार प्रणाम है. To that Supreme Personality of Godhead, I offer my obeisances again and again. Now mark this one. What has been established? Krishna's abode is Vrindavan. And Jashoda jinki maiya hai, Nanda ji bapaiya hai. So the father and mother of this Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is Mother Jashoda and Nanda Maharaj. Jashoda जिनकी मैया है, नंद जी पपैया है, ऐसे श्री भगवान को बार बार. राधा जिनकी जाया है, his eternal consort is श्रीमती राधा. राधा जिनकी जाया है, अद्भुत जिनकी माया है, ऐसे श्री भगवान को बार बार. Then लूट लूट दधी माखन खाए. Although he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Supreme Creator, Supreme Maintainer, Supreme Controller, what's he doing? He's stealing butter and yogurt. लूट लूट दधी माखन खाए. और क्या करते हैं? ग्वाल बाल संग धेनु चराए. He tends the cows with the cow. ऐसे श्री भगवान को बारंबार. So that's the identity of the Supreme Personality of God. So what does it actually mean? This point has been very elaborately explained by Srila Swami. That the original father and mother of Krishna is Nanda Yashoda. And that personality resides in Vrindavan, and Vrindavanam Parityajya Putra Kadapi na Gacchati. Leaving Vrindavan, he doesn't go anywhere. So that is the Supreme Personality.